Well, ChatGPT is getting smarter and smarter. It is now capable of creating restaurant menus. In this video, let's figure out how to create a restaurant menu using ChatGPT. First, we will briefly discuss how to ask an AI tool to do something for us, which is called prompt engineering. So what is prompt? Prompt is how you communicate with the model, telling it what you want it to do. Remember it. Prompt is how you communicate with the model, telling it what you want it to do. Now, we have a concept called prompt engineering. So prompt engineering is the practice of crafting effective prompts to get the best possible output from an AI system, like ChatGPT or other large language models, LLMs. Think of it like this. If you're talking to a human expert, how you ask the question matters. Vague question, vague answer. AI is similar. The clearer and more structured your prompt, the better your results. For examples, ask ChatGPT. A basic prompt. Tell me about climate change. You get this answer. Very broad, right? Now modify this prompt a little bit, and we have an engineered version of it. Explain climate change to a high school student using simple language and include 3 main causes and 2 major consequences. And you get this answer. More specific and maybe more relevant to what you want to know, right? There are several templates of prompt engineering, which will be discovered in another video. In this video, we'll only focus on this template. Give a role, provide details of the question as much as possible. So here is an example. I'll open ChatGPT. I have this prompt, which is, you are an expert in building YouTube channel. I want to create a YouTube channel about sharing useful information for the youth. Think of some catchy and attention-grabbing names that will impress people and encourage them to interest in and subscribe to the channel. The names should be short, concise, and direct. They should also be creative and clever. So first rule is to give a role. You are an expert in building YouTube channel. You are an expert in cooking. You are an expert in writing blog. You are an expert in XYZ. Okay? Then the second thing is that you need to give details as much as possible. The more details you give, the more controls you have over the response. Like my prompt here, I want to create a YouTube channel about sharing useful information for the youth. Then I demand some catchy and attention-grabbing names that will impress people and encourage them to interest in and subscribe to the channel. The names should be short, concise, and direct. They should also be creative and clever. So provide details as much as possible of what you want it to be in the response. Now enter. Here you see, ChatGPT can check if these names are available on YouTube and suggest you many cool names. Now, to the most important part of this video, which is creating a restaurant menu using ChatGPT. This is the prompt I've already drafted according to the rules we discussed. First, give a role. You are an expert in graphic design, then provide details as much as possible. Opening a traditional concept restaurant in Marin called Hein. It focuses on Korean food cooked with organic, farm-fresh ingredients with a rotating menu based on what's seasonal. Want to design an image, a menu incorporating the following menu items. Then specify specific style and how the menu in general will look like. Lean into the traditional/rustic style while keeping it feeling upscale and sleek. Include illustrations of each dish in an elegant Peter Rabbit style. Make sure all the text is rendered correctly with a white background. Then list all the dishes and their detailed information that you want to include on the menu. On the top, we have these dishes, their prices, cooking methods, and ingredients. On the bottom, we have dessert and drinks, their prices, some information on their flavors or cooking methods or ingredients. Please note that the dish names, prices, and accompanying information should be on the same line to avoid confusion. Now enter. Let's wait for ChatGPT to create a menu. Here it is. Pretty good, right? Okay, that's how a restaurant menu can be created using ChatGPT. I hope you find this video informative and useful.